Hello, everybody. My name is Sonika Kapoor and I am the Holistic Healer. Today, I am going to share one of my experiences of life, which is about self love, and which didn't happen to me all those years when I was longing for abundance and opportunities from the universe. But as it happened, I am filled with all and with everything I desire in my life. So, I'm gonna quote about physical attributes love today to all of you. We love ourselves in many ways and we appreciate ourselves in our mind many a times. We are foremostly convinced that we are wonderful and we have the ability to succeed, or we deserve all the luxuries and happiness in our lives. But there's a huge gap in accepting what we are and in tuning ourselves that we look beautiful. We love what we are, we love what we have learned all these years and feel enriched of experiences and a lot of wisdom too. But we certainly dislike many of our body parts and keep repeating that we do not have good eyes, good nose, good lips, good teeth, or a perfect figure. For many years, I disliked my teeth and thought that my parents should have taken timely decision about my teeth treatment so that they would have been in the best of their shape today. I always smiled with my hands on my face or put up a big smile with closed lips for my selfies and other photography moments. Entire life, I had been doing the same and regretted more on my gums as they would be visible when I would laugh and smile broadly for a photo to be shot. It was only after I learnt Reiki and one fine day I read the script of teeth and gums that I discovered that our gums represent our health. I was so shocked and astonished because I always carried a low health and I was a weak, fragile creature. It was the turning point in my life and I started appreciating my gums and my teeth. And within a few months, I was at the pinnacle of my best health. I was running outdoors, doing kickboxing, doing Zumba, doing yoga, and all what I wished to do since long. I will not speak about the same old facts that we should love the way we look, but I will specify a few tips that will make you aware or develop love for your most hated parts of the body. At night time or during any holiday, after you have cleansed your face normally with water, face wash or soap, take a body oil or maybe bio oil that I used while doing this practice and start applying it onto your face. This will also help your face to experience certain kind of facial activity in the form of an exercise, which will help relax your face from lot of day-to-day activities or stress or the work burden that you might be carrying for the entire day. And this exercise will help you ease out those emotions, those feelings, and lot of stress so that you experience a peaceful night's sleep during your sleeping time. When I started doing this practice, I was not having any love for my nose or for my face at all. I had to develop the love for my nose that I hated over the years and thought it was too wide and didn't fit well with my face for my beauty appreciation. But my nose carries all the magical powers that I got aware of it later when I started using my clairvoyance. I was filled with surprise. I got aware of it later on, and hence my strong desire to love my nose as part of gratitude for what gift has been granted to me by the universe. Though superficially one cannot get into the praising for long, because it does not get carried on for longer days, and there is a break in gratitude in offering it on daily basis. For letting go of all these obstacles, one fine night when I returned from my office and cleaned my liner and lipstick and washed my face, I applied bio oil that I always used to do daily. But that fine night, a little more drops of oil fell on my palm, and I used all the oil and put it on my face. I was in front of the same mirror that my washroom has, and I see it daily when I brush my teeth in the morning. But to my utter surprise, my face was a new face in that mirror that night. It was shining like anything. Obviously, it was because I had applied a lot of oil on my face and it was sparkling. But the glitter and shine I had on my face was spectacular and remarkable. For the very first time, I could see me. I could love myself. Loving myself without any makeup, absolutely with no liner and no lipstick that usually I feel enhances my beauty. I noticed my nose that was so very neglected throughout my life, yet offering me so many things that I hardly was aware of. I felt like it being the tree of my life to which I throw stones to get fruit, and still tree keeps offering our love to us in the form of fruit or food. I felt somehow the same for my nose. What I could see in the beautiful sparkling light of the bulb was my beautiful nose that I had ignored all these years and never loved it. But that day, so much of love came up. I was surrounded by all the love for my nose. I love my nose and I love it till day. I would love it till eternity. If one can adopt a small practice, one should start writing good things about those parts of body that we hate or rather pick at the most. One to start with and affirm with some assertive sentences or anything in praise of that part. That tip can work when we start writing affirmations. But a very quick fix tip is what I had just quoted in all my experience, that looking in the mirror without any makeup onto your face and really feeling the beauty of your face. And yes, with added on oil that makes your face glow and glitter and let you feel that yes, you are beautiful, can also be used. So you can use that bio oil as a catalyst to reach the pinnacle of that moment of time where you can actually see your beauty, which is not only inner but outer also. It is said that we shirk our previous skin and get new one. Same way the part of bodies do develop new energies and they start looking good to lift our beauty and love for us. So I request all of you to keep practicing the self-love, which will open up the opportunities that we keep looking for outside. Many people say that they reside within us, and I have experienced it. Today I have the abundance and I have many opportunities. I have many projects that I'm working on, that I've ever thought of, that I've ever desired of. And I thank my nose for bringing these opportunities to me, for bringing this abundance to me. Lastly, I would like to add about a recent thing that happened with me. One of my very dearest friends appreciated my gums like anything, and I was so filled with delight that I could not believe what I was hearing. He praised the gums that I had hated all my years, and I have never smiled properly, rather not laughed properly, just because my gums were visible and I never liked them. But he praised that my winsome smile is winsome and charming and beautiful because it has a reflection of my gums. My gratitude to my friend and to my gums and to my teeth. Thank you, universe, for making me look what I am.